We go hard. We go hard. Yo, the party don't stop.
I think this is one of the best dual-purpose motorcycles that you can buy in the country today. But before we get into that, let's truly understand what dual-purpose really means. Think of a multi-tool designed for more than one task. A dual-purpose motorcycle is somewhat similar. It has the capability to operate in completely different environments. Yes, it is street legal, but has the ability to tread equally well when things go south. And if you were to think of an image in your head, this is what you would probably come up with. This is what I like about Hero, or brands in general, that take that risk to try out something completely new. You have to do a bit of time travel to understand that this Xpulse philosophy actually stems from the impulse. Back then it felt like an anomaly, but in hindsight, that laid the foundation to what we are seeing today. It's a risk that Hero took back then, but it paid off. You know, the 200 made this entire idea mainstream, and Hero believes in that product so much that you still find it on the shelf today. But the 210 just took one step forward, feels a lot more rounded, feels more in sync and closer to the dual purpose character of today. Coming back to the motorcycle that is in front of me today. When I rode it exactly 1 year ago, a lot of things stood out, and for the right reasons. A new engine, a 6th gear for those long highway runs, and better ergonomics to summarize the experience. But remember that the Xpulse is also being used as a city motorcycle quite a bit. And despite the genre that it sits in, this towering concrete landscape comes very natural to it. Guys, I have to say this. What is this infrastructure around us? The roads are so bad, even in metro cities. That means motorcycle cannot compromise on a few things. So what you need is a long track suspension, good ground clearance, and tires that can take on everything that is thrown their way. And the Xpulse 210 that I'm riding, it checks that list really well. Another thing that I would like to talk about is the fuel efficiency number. It's a surprising number. I wasn't expecting this during our test. And that really stood out. And it stood out for the right reasons.
I know you want that. I got it. You want it. I got it. You want it.
As I move out of the city, the expectation changes. Any good motorcycle should be able to keep a rhythm on the highway, and thankfully this one does. Slot in the final gear and it starts to feel like home. The engine does not feel stressed and can stay in the 3-digit territory practically for the entire day. And while we talk about dual purpose, remember that as the engine size goes up, the versatility factor does as well. The 210 in some ways is a problem solver for Hero. Forged out of the feedback that they received, this motorcycle covers all the bases, and it does that really well.
Look at the style, look at the prep, look at the drip, I know you want that. Man, I got that, got that.
You know, I remember saying this during my first ride video as well. And I said this clearly. The Xpulse 210 is a mountain goat. Man! So natural, so easy to ride, so cohesive with this terrain. You know, it almost reminds me of the Impulse, where you could throw everything at it and still come out shining and smiling on the other side. This is where the suspension really flanks with its goodness. The tires dig in deep and everything feels fantastic. This is wow. Yeah. Dual purpose motorcycles are like the SUVs of the two-wheeler world. They can go pretty much everywhere and do pretty much everything without having to really slow down. The engine, the performance, the hardware, everything comes together really well. And that's exactly why this format makes the most sense if you as an enthusiast are looking at a motorcycle that can do it all. How can you not like the Xpulse 210? I think it's a fantastic motorcycle. As I have with motorcycles in the past belonging to this genre, there is one thing that I like to bicker about. I think you know what that is. Also, if you're an Xpulse owner, please let us know how your experience has been with this motorcycle. We would love to hear your stories. But stepping back, when I look at this world, I would like to say that if you like to chug around in the city during the week and like to hit trails during the weekend, the Xpulse 210 should definitely be on your list. Dual purpose. This is it.
Carry the low, like I told you I've been here before. It's looking real familiar. Results they give it the same. Take a minute.